This is how cold it is. There is ice on the inside of our bedroom window. Can you believe it? It is absolutely perishing outside. And we love cold weather. Okay, Niles, let's go out and see what you can see out there. It's snow. Off you go. Go on. What is it? What happened? Do you want to go? No, you don't want to go. Oh, right, okay, fair enough. Go into the storm. Whoa, oh, it's quite deep. Let's keep going. What's happening? Too much fun. Look at this. We're the first too. Look at that. Virgin snow. Powder. Yeah, there's other people. Evidence of travel. Not virgin snow here, only on Rittenhouse Street, only on our street. Come on, Doggle. We're doing okay. A bit of a trudge, this. Yeah. Like I say, the snow's kind of getting a bit like kind of ice. The snow's getting icy. It's not that cold, to be honest. Certainly not as cold as it's been in the last few days, when it's been really absolutely freezing. Minus 13 yesterday, various points during the day. Rest of the day, this way, Double, this way. Rest of the day, I mean, I guess obviously the cloud cover holding some of the heat from the earth in. And I suppose the snow's kind of insulating in an odd way. Oh look, there's a dog. That's going to cause trouble. Let's not go near that one. Let's not go near him, dog. We just have a barking match. Okay. I don't want a barking match. Okay. No. No, he's not coming here. He's not coming here. Don't worry. Don't worry. It's okay, dog. It's okay. You're right. No, does not like dogs. She is not a fan of dogs. The dogs are romping around in the snow over there. Nala keeps her own company. She doesn't mess with other dogs. I think it's because when we were in Sri Lanka, there were lots of street dogs. Hey, this way, this way. There were lots of street dogs. And street dogs defend their territory, which is the street. And so as you're walking along, they used to give Nala and me, well, Nala, hell for encroaching on their territory. And, you know, that's what she thinks about dogs now, is that they're going to terrorise her. She's going to be in their territory. And we tried to socialise her with them because, we thought, oh, she's missing out, not playing with her conspecifics. But you know what? She doesn't care for doggy company. In fact, she finds it. She doesn't like it. So we are going to let her be herself, which is a lone wolf doggy. She thinks she's a wolf. That's for sure. Okay, what are we doing here? Okay, they're over there. We're going to go this way, come around the school. It's Lafayette School. Oh man, getting a workout. Right. Okay, over the bridge. Whee, zippy. I love that sound. Can you hear it? Snow kind of creaks. I like it. Okay, creaky snow. Oh boy, look at that, virgin snow, we're gonna de-virgin it. Yeah, you and me, Niles. Yep. Ooh, okay, I think what have we... I'm getting hot and sweaty inside my ski gear. I bet Nana's getting hot in her jacket as well. I don't really need it. I was thinking it would be much colder, but it isn't. Okay, oh, I can hear a bird. Oh, birds. What do birds do during a snowstorm? I don't know. Stay warm is my advice. You can hear the snow in the leaves. I think that gives you an impression of how hard the snow is. The snow is kind of like hail. I can feel it on my face. Little hard lumps of, well, cross between ice and snow. There's Ploughed Broad Branch, which I guess is one of the major transit routes in this part of DC. The problem, they say later on, is that black ice might start to form on the road. And I must say, even though I was saying it was warm, now I've taken my gloves off, my hands are freezing. I have got salt down on the road, but I would certainly be careful driving around later on today. It looks like they ploughed that pretty recently. They'll plough Broad Branch and they'll plough Nevada, and Western down the end there will be ploughed. And then of course, Wisconsin, Connecticut, all those major routes will be ploughed. And all the little side roads like Rittenhouse here will not be ploughed. Although Rittenhouse will probably be ploughed before the neighbouring streets, because Rittenhouse is a bit of a thoroughfare. Nonetheless, it's not ploughed yet, and I certainly wouldn't want to go driving around just at the moment. Doggy, what are you doing? What's under there? Is that where the raccoons are hiding? Probably. It's going to be nice and warm down there. Come on, let's keep going. I don't think Nala was very impressed with the snow. She didn't want to go out in it first. But here we are. We've done our morning walk in the snowstorm. Well, snowfall. And we're going to go and get some breakfast. Yes.